Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Room. We're so happy you're here with us today. Today, we have a very special and very powerful lesson. If you want to speak English faster, more clearly, and more confidently, this video is for you.
Many learners tell us, I understand English, I watch videos, I know vocabulary, but when I try to speak, my mouth stops, or I forget words.
If this happens to you, don't worry. It is completely normal. It happens to millions of English learners.
And today, we will help you train your brain and your mouth to speak English faster.
We will teach you 10 powerful tips that can change your speaking in just a few weeks.
And remember to subscribe to English Room so you never miss our helpful lessons.
All right, let's begin. Tip 1. Train your brain with micro-English moments. Many students think they need 1 hour every day to practice English.
But the truth is, small moments are more powerful.
Yes, we call them micro-English moments.
These are tiny moments of English during your day, like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. For example, when you wake up, say to yourself, "Good morning. Today I will speak English. : When you make tea, say, I am making tea.
When you walk to the bus, say, I am going to work.
These small moments train your brain to think in English faster.
Now you try. Think of your morning. Say one sentence from your morning routine.
Say it out loud.
Tip 2. Use the 5-second rule. When someone asks you a question in English, don't wait too long.
Use the 5-second rule. Answer within 5 seconds, even if your sentence is not perfect.
The goal is not perfection. The goal is speed.
Example, : What did you eat today?
Don't think for 20 seconds. Just answer fast. I ate rice and chicken.
Fast speaking builds fast thinking.
Now your turn. I ask you a question. What's your favorite food?
Answer in 5 seconds. Go. Tip 3. Shadowing. Repeat like an echo.
This is one of the most powerful speaking techniques in the world.
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating at the same time, like an echo.
You copy their rhythm, speed, and pronunciation.
Even if you only understand 70%, it still works.
Choose a short video or podcast. Listen and speak at the same time.
This trains your mouth muscles to move faster in English.
Let's try a simple shadowing line. Repeat after me. I can speak English with confidence.
Again, I can speak English with confidence. Tip 4. Speak before you are ready.
Many learners wait too long. They say, I will speak when I know more English.
But speaking improves only when you practice speaking.
The secret is, speak before you feel ready.
It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning.
Say this sentence with us. I am learning. I don't need to be perfect.
Good. Keep speaking. Tip 5. Use easy English, not fancy English.
Many learners try to speak difficult English, but then they get stuck.
Exactly. Simple English is the best English. Clear, natural, easy.
Example. Instead of saying, I am extremely exhausted, just say, I'm very tired.
Instead of, I will contemplate your suggestion, say, I will think about it.
Simple English makes speaking faster.
Say this, I speak simple and clear English.
Tip 6. Train your mouth muscles with tongue exercises. Speaking English is physical. Your mouth needs training.
Some sounds like R, TH, and V need special practice.
Try this exercise ah, ah, ah. Red, run, ready.
And this TH, 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 think, thank, Thursday.
And one more. V, 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 very. Voice, visit.
Do these daily for 2 minutes to speak faster and clearer. Tip 7. Think in English, even simple thoughts.
Thinking in your native language slows your English speaking.
But thinking in English is easy if you start small.
Example, when you see a cup, think cup. When you see the door, think door. When you feel hungry, think I'm hungry.
Small. English thoughts train your brain to use English automatically.
Now you try. Look around your room. Say one thing you see.
Tip 8. Use fillers to keep speaking. Fillers help you continue speaking when you need time to think.
Native speakers use fillers all the time.
Example fillers. Let me think. Well, you know. So. Actually.
These help your brain stay relaxed.
Example. What's your favorite city?
You answer, well, I like Dubai.
Easy and natural. Tip 9. Practice short conversations every day.
You don't need long conversations. Short conversations are perfect.
1 minute is enough. Just 1 minute of speaking every day makes a big difference.
Talk to a friend. Talk to your family. Talk to yourself.
For example, how was your day? It was good. I worked, I studied, I relaxed.
That's all, 1 minute.
Now your turn. Tell us, how was your day? Say your answer out loud. Tip 10. Celebrate progress, not perfection.
Learning English is a long journey. You must celebrate every step.
If you learned one new word today, celebrate.
If you spoke English for 30 seconds, celebrate.
If you understood this video, celebrate.
Progress is more important than perfection.
Say this with us. Every day, I am getting better.
Practice time. Let's speak together.
Now, repeat these powerful sentences after us.
Number 1, I can train my brain to think in English.
Number 2,
My mouth can learn to speak faster. Number 3, I don't need perfect English.
Number 4,
I speak simple, clear, confident English. Number 5, every day I improve a little more. Review. What did we learn today?
Today, we learned 10 powerful tips to help you speak English faster.
Let's quickly review them.
Tip 1. Micro-English moments.
Tip 2. The 5-second rule.
Tip 3. Shadowing.
Tip 4. Speak before you're ready.
Tip 5. Use simple English.
Tip 6. Train your mouth muscles.
Tip 7. Think in English.
Tip 8. Use fillers.
Tip 9. Short daily conversations.
Tip 10. Celebrate your progress.
These tips can transform your speaking.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Room.
Like the video if you want more speaking tips.
And comment below, which tip will you use today?
We can't wait to read your answers.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep shining.
Bye, friends.